Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart your PlayStation 4 controller and remove the covers. And this is easy. Just flip it around, and you're going to notice there's 4 screw holes on the back right here. Nothing's hidden. Just remove those. Unlike the PS5 controller, you don't have to remove these top R1, L1 ones. And when these screws do come out, they're very small. So I have some right here. You can barely see them. But if these fall into the carpet, you're not going to be finding them very easy. You're going to be looking for them for quite a while. So maybe take a cup or a bowl and put them into that. So I have all 4 of the screws removed. Once you do that, this back plate will just lift up just like this. And you're going to have to feed it over the R1, the R2 and L2 button. And just be careful. Go slow during this process because the battery will probably try to fall out on you. And let's just feed it over the top. So it's still going to be connected, this back plate, when you remove it. So just don't yank it or anything like that. So you can see where it's connected right here. And my controller is looking pretty damaged because I've done this so many different times to this. So I got this one little ribbon cable I could remove right here if I really want to. Or I could just leave it to the side. That's probably how this ribbon cable looked so damaged. So you can remove if you want. Now we have access to the battery. So I'm just going to remove this and get it out of the way. This is what this looks like. Now we have the battery. So sometimes my battery will actually go out and I replace this battery. Now the controller works again. So you can completely remove this battery just like this. And be careful with this battery so you don't rip up any of these cables or anything like that. And you should be able to just grab it with your fingernails, wiggle it back and forth a little bit. And it'll take a little bit of time, but it should pop up. You can see on the battery, the cables are very, very thin. And those can come out on you very easily. And then you need to get a new battery. So you can put the battery to the side. And this should just come out on you. And there's going to be a little black piece that will fall out on you. And this is kind of hard to see, but it should just go right up on top here. And you can place it back into here. This is what it looks like. Let me zoom in on that. This little black piece is going to fall out on you. Alright, so we have that one screw right here that we just need to remove. And when you remove it, you're going to notice you can just press the thumbsticks from the bottom and this entire board will lift up on you. So right here, that just one screw. And I removed that so we can feed this through. And then you got the ribbon cable right here. I just detached this. And then we can flip it up, rotate it around. And let's see if anything else is going to fall out on us. This is good. This is probably what you're just going to do. You got your thumbsticks right here. You can remove these. Then if you're going to be cleaning your stick drift, you can just open those up now and start cleaning them. Then you can tear this down a little bit more if you're going to be trying to get to the buttons stuff. So this should just come off on you and lift up. So just remember how this is going back in there. You can just lift this up and this entire thing should just come out on you. So let's try it now. Be careful. This little button right here is going to fall out on you when you do it. So let's boom. So this will go. This will fall out on you. This will go right here. It'll only go in a certain way. And then you got the other button, the what is that? The share button, the options button. So if those fall on you, they only go in one certain way. So you can't put the options button on the share button side. And then you're good. Then you can remove these and you can clean your buttons. But you probably have to clean this if you want to fix your buttons. Just get some rubbing alcohol and one of these, and then just clean this off. Sometimes just realigning this rubber pad and all the different buttons can help fix the buttons work again. So that's how you can take apart your PlayStation 4 controller. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.